Mira este cabrón si no usa la fucking de eso. Coño. Went home, my hand was like really hurting, my elbow, everything.
Yeah.
Mira para allá. Mira este, mira cómo se comió la luz. Ay, Dios mío. Okay, Presto. Yo, these fucking cars, man. Stupid son of a bitches. This guy was...
Damn. Oh, over the white lines. NewYorkDashCam. Subscribe.
Estúpido. Maricón.
Damn. Look at this one. Over the solid lines. They don't care.
Speed camera in 0.2 mile. Speed.
Look at this clusterfuck here. This motherfucker's like, nah, man. Turn my ass around. Fuck that. I hear you, brother. I hear you. I hear you. Shit, unfortunately, I have to go that way. NewYorkDashCam, YouTube, subscribe. What are you beeping the horn at me for? Okay, fail to you. I'm good. I'm good. No, I'm just doing good. No, I feel sick. NewYorkDashCam, of course. Subscribe. The fuck? How this happened? Damn, damn. Wow. A little reckless, huh?
That's your problem.
Wow. Oh, man.
Okay, Presto.
What? What was that about? It's forced to, then yeah. If not, then no. And man, he just cut him off. Look at this shit. Look at these. Look how dirty this shit is. That's crazy. Wow. His turn signal was his front fender. That's. Ooh. Damn. There's two of them there, one for each direction. They ain't playing. Now, what if I didn't see this guy? I just be like, ooh, he was gonna. You guys feel like of. Oh shit. That's an accident here. No seatbelt. Making U-turns. Both of them have seatbelt.
So, he didn't react badly to that.
Here's another one. He's about to park there. Now I just saw a few. Like when I showed you, it was to the light. Ooh. And from the wrong lane. Wow. That's crazy.